Picture this. Every choice you've ever made, every path not taken playing out in worlds parallel to our own, an infinite cascade of realities where the impossible becomes inevitable. This is the multiverse, a bold idea suggesting our universe is but one thread in a boundless cosmic web. But why could this be real? In this documentary, we'll uncover the scientific reasons, from quantum enigmas to cosmic expansions, that make the multiverse not just possible, but perhaps unavoidable. It matters because if true, it reshapes our understanding of existence, fate, and the very laws of physics, challenging us to see ourselves as part of something infinitely grander. The multiverse isn't a new invention. Its roots stretch back to ancient philosophy. In the 5th century BCE, Greek thinker Democritus imagined infinite worlds formed by atoms in an endless void, each varying slightly. Fast forward to the Renaissance, where Giordano Bruno speculated about countless stars with their own planets and realities, a heretical idea that cost him his life. But it was in the 20th century that science elevated these musings to theory. Enter quantum mechanics in the 1920s, a realm where particles behave like waves, existing in multiple states at once until observed. Think of it like a coin toss. In classical physics, it's heads or tails. In quantum, it's both until you look. Hugh Everett III in 1957 proposed the many worlds interpretation MWI to resolve this. No collapse. The universe branches into versions where each outcome happens. MWI argues this isn't illusion. All states are real in branched universes. A compelling reason, it avoids the measurement problem where observation magically collapses possibilities by saying no collapse occurs. The observer branches too. It's like a river splitting at every fork, creating parallel streams. Cosmology added fuel in the 1980s with Alan Guth's inflation theory, explaining the Big Bang's rapid expansion. Andre Linde extended it to eternal inflation. Expansion never stops everywhere, birthing bubble universes with different properties, like soap bubbles in a never-ending foam bath. Andre Linde extended it to eternal inflation. Expansion never stops everywhere, birthing bubble universes with different properties like soap bubbles in a never-ending foam bath. String theory in the 1990s introduced a landscape of 10 circumflex 500 possible universes, each with unique laws from vibrating strings in extra dimensions. These foundations aren't whimsy. They're built on math that powers technologies like lasers and MRI machines. Let's dissect why the multiverse could be real, section by section, weaving through the key theories and supporting reasons. Start with the quantum multiverse via many worlds. Quantum mechanics demands particles in superposition, multiple states simultaneously. MWI argues this isn't illusion. All states are real in branched universes. A compelling reason, it avoids the measurement problem where observation supposedly collapses possibilities by saying no collapse occurs, the observer branches too. Think of it like a coin toss. In classical physics, it's heads or tails. In quantum, it's both until you look. Hugh Everett III in 1957 proposed the many worlds interpretation, no collapse. The universe branches like a river splitting at every fork. Recent boost? In December 2024, Google's Willow quantum chip solved a problem in 5 minutes that'd take supercomputers 10 circumflex 25 years, a feat Hartmut-Neven attributes to computations across parallel universes. Willow's error-corrected qubits in superposition suggest MWI in action, though debated. Next, the inflationary multiverse. Post-Big Bang inflation smoothed the universe, but eternal inflation implies pockets where it stops, forming bubbles. It explains the universe's flatness and uniformity, backed by cosmic microwave background data from the Planck satellite. Anomalies like the CMB cold spot might be collision scars from other bubbles, hinting at multiversal interactions. If inflation is eternal, and evidence suggests it is, bubbles must proliferate infinitely. Then, the string landscape multiverse. String theory unifies forces, predicting myriad vacua or universe configurations, each with unique laws. A key reason? Fine-tuning. Our constants, gravity's strength, electron mass, are perfectly set for life. Tweak them, and no atoms form. In a multiverse, most universes are lifeless. We observe a tuned one because we're in it, the anthropic principle. Evidence? String math consistency, though untested directly. Shadow matter multiverse adds intrigue. Undetectable mirror particles forming parallel worlds, linked to dark matter's gravity pull. Over 80% of matter is dark. Some could be shadow, suggesting coexisting realities. These aren't isolated. They interconnect like quantum branches within inflationary bubbles. As Ethan Siegel notes in 2025, while unproven, The multiverse elegantly solves quantum and cosmic puzzles. Shocking fact. In an infinite multiverse, exact copies of you exist, living every variation. Boltzmann brains or infinite monkeys typing Shakespeare. Lesser known, CMB patterns might show bruises from multiversal collisions as 2024 analyses suggest. Willow's 2024 feat implies quantum computers tap parallel worlds, potentially enabling interdimensional communication. If real, time travel paradoxes dissolve, changes spawn new branches instead of altering an original timeline. Future implications. By 2030, advanced quantum sims might probe other universes, revolutionizing energy or medicine, but beware, it challenges free will. If all choices happen, are we choosing? Critics argue untestability makes it philosophy, yet Willow sparks hope for empirical hints. The multiverse isn't distant abstraction, it touches our core. It explains why life exists against astronomical odds. For humanity, it ignites wonder. We're not alone in uniqueness but part of infinite diversity, fostering humility and curiosity. Science benefits, driving quantum tech like Willow, potentially curing diseases or harnessing clean energy. Emotionally, it's awe-striking. In this vast ensemble, our consciousness emerges to question it all, connecting us across realities. As we face global challenges, the multiverse inspires unity, reminding us possibilities are endless, urging bold exploration for a brighter future. Why could the multiverse be real? From quantum branches to cosmic bubbles, the evidence mounts woven into physics fabric, with breakthroughs like Willow hinting at truths beyond our sight, yet it remains a tantalizing possibility beckoning us to probe deeper. What if every dream, every regret lives on elsewhere? The multiverse whispers of infinities, leaving us with endless wonder. Subscribe for more and ponder. In which universe are you watching this?